March 7th. A red day today, but very, very small red day, which is okay because it was kind of a boring day today. Nothing really hit the scanners. Nothing really gapped where it had the credentials that I like to trade. So I know this morning, I think there was only one that hit the scanner, the gap scanner. It was this boring piece of shit Nimble. Did absolutely nothing all day. I did flip back and forth to this, but it did absolutely nothing. So, MOMO earnings looking for a breakout over 30, which we got in the morning. Well, I wouldn't call it a breakout, but breached the 30 and just held below it. So I got in just a very small position, 1/3, and got stopped out down here at 29.52. At the end of the day, it looks like it did come back up and it came over 30. Did it close the day? Doesn't look like it closed over 30. Closed at 30. Not what we were looking for today. Nothing happened here at all. It's actually pretty boring watching this. Only thing that hit the scanner was HEAR here, Turtle Beach Corp. Hit the 5 times scanner range. Took a small short feeler position here at 141. If you want, we can check this out on the 1 minute. So this is where I got my short position here, somewhere around here. Right here. I'll move this over. Right there. So this cup here. Down, up. Broke this line here. Broke down. Got filled. And, you know, you want to kind of see it. You want to see it go down, but I was hoping maybe it would kind of not shoot all the way down so I can add some more to it. But it held this 140 range, so it didn't really do anything. I covered at 138. My target was 128 or 1R. So you can see it would have been down here, which it didn't really come close at all to it. But looking at the daily of this, it does have this habit of these big range days, and then just the next day it's very red and shoots back down to this 9 EMA. So I was tempted to hold this overnight because it does do this a lot where it gets these big rangy days and then the next day it just takes a shit all the way back down. These ones here, a little sketchy but not as big. See, shoots up, comes down. Shoots up, this one gaps down, all the way down. Anyway, regardless, didn't hold it. Didn't feel comfortable in it. The price action was a little funny too. It was just, I don't know, wasn't feeling it. I didn't feel comfortable in the trade. So you know what? I was willing to take 1R and get fully out. I even said in chat today, just watching this, there was a little short squeeze here. It just didn't feel right. I had a gut feeling where I was like, you know what? Just don't go big on this trade. Just kind of stay small and see what happens. If I had took 1R with just a small position, I would have been happy with that. I didn't really take any profits from this. It was very, very tiny. Still holding my CNCE, just my feeler from yesterday. So it did come up, but I had my stop limit at just above the high of day yesterday. So it came close, but it came back down. So I'm just gonna still hold on to this because these big rangy days, they tend to do that. They kind of come up, and this might be just some short covering. It's a lot of short covering, but we'll see what happens tomorrow. If it continues to go up and push yesterday's highs, I might get out. It's only a small position. It's only 1/3 of what I had in there, which was a small position to begin with. So if it does shoot back down to this 90 MA, I think my target is like 1180, somewhere around there. That'd be fantastic if tomorrow I just get a big red day, blows below 13. That'd be great. But we'll see what happens. Boring day. It was red, very small in the red. I'll take it. They're gonna happen. Try again tomorrow.